Hi everyone, in this video we will do a quick recap of the brewing recipes for our coffees roasted for espresso. So we are starting naturally with the calibration of espresso, where we are using the 18 grams dose and the ratio 1 to 2 or slightly a little bit lighter. In this case we like our coffee between 36 and 40 grams of yield in 23 to 28 seconds. And the same calibration we will apply as well for our coffees with milk. Flat white we are dialing as a double shot with the same grind size by using the cup from 150 to 180 ml of 5 to 6 ounces with 18 grams dose, but this time shorter yield and stronger coffee, where we are applying 30 grams of the yield by using the same grind size which we set up already for our espresso calibration, and of course pouring the milk all over the end of the cup by making it full 5 to 6 ounces cup. The same cup we are using as well for the cappuccino. Just for the cappuccino we apply the single shot. So such a coffee such as a piccolo, cortado and cappuccino we prefer with a single shot, just a different amount of the milk, while flat white we prefer with a double shot, same cup as a cappuccino.